Wipe down the door frame surface to remove any dust or moisture. Apply the ZipWall double-sided tape to all 3 sides of the door frame. This special 2-sided tape has a gentle adhesive on one side to protect the door frame surface and a strong adhesive on the other side to secure the door panel. Once you've applied the gentler tape to the door frame, peel away the paper backing to expose the stronger adhesive. Unfold the plastic door panel and position it over the door frame so that the bottom touches the floor. If the black line under the ZipWall logo is parallel to the top of the door jamb, the door will hang properly. Press apply the plastic to the tape on all 3 sides of the door frame and unzip the pre-installed, pre-cut heavy-duty zippers. Poke the sharp tips of the flap hooks through the plastic sheeting, one on each side, just above head height. Now you can roll the door flap up and hang it in place to allow for easy entry or exit when setting up or tearing down the job site. To reseal the doorway, simply drop the flap down and zip it closed. With these few quick and easy installation steps, your zip door is now properly installed and your doorway is sealed. When the work's done, just remove the zip door panel and tape and properly dispose them.